Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing you how to develop a dashboard having on a front end we have a Microsoft Excel worksheet, and on the back end we are using Microsoft Access database having tables, two tables, two or three tables are created here. Like one is master, the other is user. Two tables are there. These are the queries, right? Okay. So this is the database, which is in Microsoft Access, and this is our Excel front end, right? Now, in the front end, we have shown you that we have developed a change event in which what happens that when you change the event, so all the figures get updated, right? So far so good. That's right. Means it is right. Let's change this to Robin. So the Robin's figures are here, right? But this should also get updated and corrected as per Robin, not showing the previous user. And it is showing the previous result of the. So it's always better that whenever this whenever we have a change in it, so it means the change event has to be updated such that the figures are updated. Also, this chart is also to be recreated, right? Recreated and placed. Okay, so so to create this chart, we press Control F. This brings it here, and we search where is it. So it will take you directly to where this is where the chart is being created. So this is fine. So recreate chart is the command which is going to be placed where in the menu sheet. In the menu sheet, when you say the double click goes up all these things, calculate pro, right? And then you say that recreate chart. Okay. And then also the chart placement is also advisable that soon after the recreation of chart, the chart placement should take the charge, right? So it should, we can take the effect. So we put it here. So chart placement as well. So two commands have been added in our worksheet change event that not only you change the figures, but also change the chart. So for example, for Robin, yeah, and this is how it has created not only the chart, but also it has, right. So before creating the chart, it should remove any previous chart as well, right? Okay, so are we removing any chart? So we bring that command, right? Left. So let's first let's see that if we have this chart. So it should come in the chart objects. In the instead of sheet, let's say charts, chart chart objects, chart objects, active chart for each charts. Okay, so let's do that for this plus F8. Okay, so it does not support we have to look at what is this chart object called, right? And this code is telling us exactly what is it. This is the chart and shape, yeah. Active sheet chart. Yeah, we have already used it, that my DB title, and this is the chart. If you see the chart, this is CHRT is empty at the moment. And if you see, where is the chart? I think for each CH, Okay. SH. MSG box. MSG box, and this is CH, not SH, chart. Okay. Let's see. F8. That's F8. Okay. I think there is an object that is called AccessSheet dot chart objects. Chart objects. That's it. F8. Yeah, that's right. So first chart is chart 9. So we want this to be deleted. Hmm? Hmm. So we say instead of this, ch dot delete. So here what we are saying that before creating any chart, make sure any other chart is uh, gets deleted. Okay. Okay. So let's try that. Yeah, that's what it has done. Now, so before doing any chart update, make sure if there is any previous chart that gets deleted. That's right. So this is the learning that in the menu option, we will uh, perform. As soon as a chart, there is a change in this, not only the figures are updated, that is called pro, but also uh, the chart is created and it is placed. The chart placement, we can deal it later, but the chart is getting created, that's fine. Okay, and the chart of the right user means that it should not be that it keep on piling up the more and more charts without deleting the previous one, right? So that is done in here. In you have the chart creation in probably, yeah, here. The first thing you do is for each chart object is we give it a name, the CH, a dummy name, right? A temporary name, CH. In active sheet dot chart objects, and we first use it to display it so that we know that we know what we need to do with this. Yeah. So it displays the name of the object now. If it, so later on we do not want this message coming. We want straight away any chart uh, found, it gets deleted before creating any new chart. That's right. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's what it should work. And this is our learning that how we can replace the old chart with the new chart. Each time a new user is selected, the old chart is replaced with a new chart, right? Okay. So if you change with this, say, this is your new chart. So this is Supreme project of any mystery. And this is the figures which you have. These figures are related to the desired user, which has been selected. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.